meghalayapost.news.
Auxilium Ïaka Skul Mautunum Riboy District kala sedang ban Pynlong Ïaka Skul Week Haka Taïew Kyrpang Kyrpang na kamtaki Khynnah Skul jong kate ke jaka pule kajing temu jong kane ke Skul Week kalong ban ai ki Khynnah kapor bakin song shet bat penjat that yak jingmut jeng perkhan sha bakin phai biang se ki jing pule bat jing pun kre yak final examination haka ju kapor kalong ru kalan ka Kyrpang ki Khynnah ban Pynphuh ki sam bat ki phong jong ki leng ba kirin san ba pher kate ke Skul Week kala sedang nadu ke sining kong jong kane ke Taïew bat on penkut Ïaka haka ngithok dieng kar pupratarik unailar arajar arpun rio shibenta jong kajing roki kini ke Taïew lekmen ke skul kelapan bet ya bon teli jing yakob haka baki Khynnah kinmi kmat ya lagi jong ki house bar haka ni kerkom Pynlong ya giti jing yakob kan ailat ya borok ki Khynnah Skul bakiniyo bani shimenta lang haka singi ke balai jong ke Skul wing la saki ya jing shimenta ke basyurham na ki Khynnah jong ki kerdan ba pher ki Khynnah nadu ki bedang ren hadu ki balakam he kila shimenta haka jing yakob shat ki jing yakob rawai haki sur Tynrai bat komjur haka jing yakob quiz competition bari ki jing yakob ki bedangsa on sedang beteng pat haki sengi ki banwan
of the play, control, balance and coordination. Correct again. What do we call animals that eat both plants and leaves? Omnivorous. Correct. What technology uses sound waves to detect objects underwater? Sonar. Sound navigation and imaging. Correct.
Does a spider have? Yes, 10 points to the red house. What does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Correct. Another 10 points for the red house.
meghalayapost.news.